Okay, I'm going. I'm leaving.
How the fuck did they all die? I don't know, but that was awesome. Good job, Nino.
They forced. I forced them.
Oh my god, and they forced? Excellent.
Just wait for spawners to slow this down and play this right.
Steph did not off class. I killed her with her trap. Sully's in Al-Qaeda. He's piped!
Oh my god. Okay, we're taking mid.
Oh,
They're in 3.
no.
I can't hit anything, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, me neither. I like aim at people and my crosshair's on them and then it does 0 damage.
It's not your guys' fault.
Oh, but it's certainly fucking infuriating.
Yeah.
Passive, no one's up on there.
There's stickies all over our side.
Demo took 40, 50?
I'm down.
Sully's dead.
Nice.
I need an arrow if you can. Soldier's
We're getting
bombing. Sully jumping. Dead.
I'm on mid.
Scout's piped.
Scout's
Scout's dead. I am
He's
fucking...
getting
I need
hacked
another arrow
right
if you can. I'm just gonna play high ground here.
Just
Stay on
play
med
now.
and Sully.
Nice.
I feel like I'm such a nag saying like, oh, this is good. Nice. Fat.
Our combo's in.
Medic's nearly dead.
Dude.
Oh,
Did they use?
Demo's piped.
Got that now. Kind of.
Oh, cannot kill me. Scout's piped.
On second.
Both scouts are piped. One scout's dead. I don't know how he survived. Please arrow. Thank you.
I'm gonna go through cafe.
Scouts out there now. They popped. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Did any of you see that? Actually could have made that, but I really wanted to go fast. Like, we're gonna go fast later. Dude, oh my god, I just fucking destroyed him. Do this when I get really, like, good and, like, memorize it really well.
Guy in VC just said, what's with all the idlemen?
Oh, I just... Wow, it's a shame I'm not fucking, like, bad at video games, because I'd have died. Holy shit. In a cool way. You know what? I'm so fucking tired of doing this over and over. I'm going to do it backwards. I'm going to jump over the snowman backwards. What that actually means is don't go in front of me, because you're going to, like, die somehow.
No, you can walk on the snowman.
Get ready. Watch this. Oh my fucking... I'm so fucking good. Ah, and now I'm stuck in the whale. I don't even fucking care. I've already, like, done it the hardest way. I mean, sure, I might as well do it for, like, completion's sake. In fact, it might actually be kind of harder because it... Oh, it actually will be because I'll have no, visual indicator of when to uncrouch.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's a good point. Alright, side op, here we go. Oh, fuck it. We're still good. Well, that could be anyone on the server. I've seen so many people die to that, like, quote-unquote trap because they were in the middle of airstrafing the wrong way.
What a legend.
It's in underpass. He's gonna get out too. What a gamer.
Dude, how does he not get hit by that?
Good job, though. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Is it really bad?
Scout piped. Demo took 100. Demo's dead. Med took 60.
Alright, I'm dead. It's just...
That's fine.
Pipes.
Soldier's stacking. He's on point. He's fresh.
I had to get back. I was 10 health. I killed the scout. Should have been fine. You should have taken a demo in the Uber if we had a sentry.
Well, they had Uber it.
Where's Med?
Uber up and choke.
You up.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
Yeah, we can shrug.
But
This isn't good. I don't know what to focus.
fine,
Scout
fine.
took 60. They all took 30. One, scout took 40. I'm gonna die to this scout. Scout got air shot. I can't get him. Soldier took 100.
You can win this, you can win this.
Yeah.
Focus demo. Good job.
You don't have heal.
He's distracting him so we can make a sentry.
Okay. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
we only need one in here. You guys pick.
Oh my god, no! Stop it!
Give your soldier buff, not the NGs.
You both switched off.
Demo.
What does it contain? Nice.
I'm gonna try and find examples of like PugChamp where Blank and a whole bunch of other people were drunk, but that actually made them like really talkative, and so they talked a lot when they were rolling out, and they were like setting everything up, and so that's why it's like really important, like when you're rolling out, you're thinking about
He took 100. He's 20 health. He's getting out there.
Dead. He's slowly jumped to me. He's piped. Bye.
Amazing air shot. Shout out
I'm gonna tank our demo
He
here
dead.
for a second.
We're very aggressively peeking this.
Just get on the,
Slowly.
get on the shed,
Demo's
you don't
dead.
have to actually-
Demo's dead.
You guys lived on
Oh
the
my
first
God.
cut from LP Hoffman died.
Right. Also rip. I just did the biggest fucking brain strat in the fucking universe. Demo 50.
Ned will be bath bomb right now.
Al-Qaeda. He's piped. Dead.
So good.
Soldiers 45.
Bro, this class
They
sucks.
definitely can't leave.
Killed Sully. Sully dead. Bye. 2 up. Showboard. Feed.
Going together, there's two of you there.